Shandong HUIYANG Construction Equipment Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional company engaged in the research, production, maintaining and leasing of suspended platform, mast climber, self-climbing electric scaffolding. We are located in Dezhou City with convenient transportation access to Qingdao Port or Tianjin Port. Now HUIYANG becomes the production base and research center of exporting mast climber and suspended platform in China. HUIYANG Suspended Platform is one professional enterprise engaged in well-known suspended platform in China, and annual production capacity is up to 12,000 sets. In China, HUIYANG Suspended Platform owns complete categories, specifications, and applications compared with same industry. They have been used in every aerial area with the main models ZLP630 630, 800, and 1000. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, CE certificate, EAC certificate. With excellent quality and professional service, our suspended platform are deeply trusted and favored by users. With the increase of popularity and credibility, the products have been exported to more than 30 countries and regions such as Spain, Vietnam, Russia, UAE, and Chile. We also welcome OEM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. For safe lifting, prefer HUIYANG Suspended Platform.